Hey everyone, remember when phones had physical keyboards? Well, get ready for a major throwback because a new contender is entering the ring. Meet the Lotus Diplomat, a smartphone that's bringing back the joy of tactile typing. It's not just a keyboard phone. It's a powerhouse. This device, said to be crowd-funded, looks like a modern take on the classic BlackBerry. It features a large keyboard with dedicated number keys and a cool shortcut bar. But the wildest part, there's a second, smaller display embedded right in the keyboard. It's always on to show the time and can even be used for inputs under the hood. We're talking top-tier specs, a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a massive 24 gigs of RAM, and 1.5 terabytes of storage. The main 5.3-inch screen is a sharp 4:3 display, and you can even choose between OLED or IPS. This thing is seriously packed. Could this be the ultimate productivity phone? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.